Open a browser and type Composer and go to official website and click on Download. On this page, click to download the Composer setup file. Composer setup file downloaded, and to install, click on the downloaded file. Click on Install for all users. Click on Next. Composer finds the PHP path, click Next. Click Next and click on Install button. Composer setup installation process will start now. Click on Next and Finish button. Open command prompt and type Composer and press Enter. Congratulations, we have successfully installed Composer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe channel for more videos.